Welcome back to Chesil Beach Holiday Park. I'm Vinny, and today we're up by the sports field to check out this ABI Wimbledon. It's a 2-bedroom holiday home that's 39 foot in length, so a really good size. As we step through the door, it's a really nice open plan design, but one of my favourite features of this particular model is the amount of seating, and that's in the dining space and the lounge. As we can see, we've got an L-shaped sofa style bench for the dining area. Also the additional bench here for an extra 2, and a fully equipped kitchen, even with a slimline dishwasher. Into the lounge, as we can see, plenty of space. This is perfect for families, or if you just want to lounge out on the sofa. Got the additional armchair, a really homely design with the built-in fire, TV area, and those patio sliding doors which will go out onto a full wraparound decking. For the back half of this holiday home, we're going to walk past your full-length mirror and into the twin bedroom. Inside of here, we've got the 2 single beds, featured lighting, upholstered headboards, USB charging, and across from this, wardrobe, mirror, and the built-in telly point. Coming down the hall, and opposite your twin bedroom is your family shower room. Got lots of storage, toilet, basin, and a large walk-in shower too. And last but not least, is your master bedroom. Inside of here, you've got a king-size bed. It spreads the full 12-foot width of the holiday home, so there's plenty of space. And what's really nice about this bedroom is the amount of storage. You've got a 3-door wardrobe, drawers, vanity area with more storage, television point. It's got everything you could want, including your own ensuite. Follow me back through to your lounge area. This holiday home is available to view and to purchase right now. We have different pictures available across our parks. If you'd like to find out more about those pictures or this holiday home, give us a call on 01 305 836 836.